Ooh, okay, girl. I see you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video at any point, and let's get into it. So I have this beautiful unit by Joedir, and we're just unboxing right now. It comes with a wig holder, some care instructions, the use and care guide, MAC eyelashes, and of course the beautiful wig. This is a black blonde 613 ombre, and yes, I love it. I love me some blonde hair. So I'm showing you guys the cap construction. It comes with one comb in the back and 3 in the front, and in the middle and 2 on the sides. It has adjustable straps, and then this is a cap construction. It's a little weird for me, first time me seeing one like this, but it works, so I like it. And then it's showing you that it's a lace front, a pretty decent parting space. Sorry. And then it is 100% synthetic hair. So no human hair at all. I was showing you that I went ahead and tried to pluck it, and I also tried to bleach the knots, but plucking I did just a little bit, and then bleaching the knots, I felt like it didn't really bleach that well, so I feel like you could definitely skip that part. And then I was just showing you how much I pulled out of the from plucking the hairline. So I tried to cut baby hairs, and yes, this wig was a learning experience, my first synthetic wig, but the baby hairs really didn't work out. So let's not do baby hairs on this, okay, girlies? So I don't know why I chose not to use a wig cap, but we're gonna go with it. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw this wig on, and I'm just positioning it in the right spaces behind my ears and everything, and getting ready. Oh, that's just too bad right there, huh? I look like a peacock. It's okay, we'll fix it. So I don't know why, but I cut out my lace before I glued it down. It worked out, so we're just gonna go with that. Remember to cut in a zigzag motion. That helps with blending in with your hairline. So that's what you can see me trying to do here. At this point is where I found out that this hair is going to tangle. You can see me combing it out, and you can see that it is going to tangle. I'm also combing out some of the extra hairs that I plucked, but I would not recommend sleeping in this wig because, like I said, it's going to tangle. And then now I'm just going to start using the freeze spray, which is gel, like a gel. It's not glue, but you know, got to be glued is the name of it. While you are spraying and blow drying this, to blow dry on the cool setting. Please don't burn yourself. I'm sorry, I sound like a mom. And to comb through so your hair doesn't stick together. That really helps because you're going to be upset if your hair sticks together. It's just annoying. And now you see me using an alcohol pad to clean off the excess gel and the flakiness. You can still see it's a little white, but we're going to fix that in a little bit. Now I'm just combing through, starting to feel, oh, that's cute, girl. Okay, I see you. No, for real, I love this wig, y'all. So I'm just gonna tie down. I play too much. I'm gonna tie down my hairline so that I could get a good, lay down. We tied that down for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and take it off and fix the rest. So you see my little peacock, it laid down, but I'm telling you, like, don't even waste your time trying to cut no baby hairs. If you're trying to be like me, I just saved you time. Just don't do it. So there's some excess gel that's around the perimeter. We'll get that fixed in a little bit. I'm just going to use alcohol and that should come right off. Hold on. Okay, so now we're going to use this MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45 is my color, and I'm just going to put that all around the hairline perimeter so that can blend in. The lace actually blended really well with my skin color is one thing I noticed, because it was a brown lace, so that actually worked out in my favor. And then also I put some in the part to help that blend. You can see I tried to wand curl, but that was pointless as well. I even held it longer and it just did not wand curl. It is supposed to be safe up to about 400 degrees or so, but it just was pointless. It didn't do anything to wand curl it, so don't even bother. And now I'm just showing you how I'm feeling it. This hair is beautiful, you guys. You can see how long it is. It's 26 inches. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did at any point, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Love you guys.